as I see there's the good response on Gmail related videos. So we are like going to cover all the maximum points where whatever we can do related to the Gmail. So here we have got new video where I got a comment too for this, how we can set up signature in Gmail ID. So we will do step by step as we have been doing since long. So we will follow that and then we'll see how it works, and it is really going to be very helpful for all of us. So let's see. As usual, we need to log in the Gmail ID. So as it is already logged in, now I will go to the setting page. I will click on setting, see all setting, and this general tab will go down. Here you will find out option by the name of signature. There is no signature has been set up, so I'll click on create new. I can give any name to the this signature and then I can draft it here. Regards, Grisham, senior manager. Here we can put down the number, office address, and that's it. And after that I'll go down, I'll select here that for every new email should get their signature or not. For every reply or forward, signature should come. Signature should be it should be inserted before the line and then save. So we can see when we click on compose email, it would come automatically. If I'm replying any email, it is come here, it is coming here automatically. If I'm forwarding this email, so it is also coming here automatically before this line. So this is very mandatory part as Gmail options. So try to learn this, try to do the things accordingly, try to use it, and you can format it from there to and here too. Like if you want to do just for the specific email, so you will do from here. Otherwise, from you that place you can do. So it's dependable as per the situations. So thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.